Hello, traders. Today is Monday, May 4th, and this is my analysis for the Euro Yen, and we're on the daily time frame. So if this really is some sort of a top on the daily, then this, it has found support at the 61%, but it could just keep on pushing down. It could go down and break these lows. If it really is like the end of a big pattern on the very high time frames, then it's not even going to be a wave C, but potentially it would just keep on going down, making lower lows, lower highs. I still think there's a chance that this move down could be a little bit of a bear trap, mostly because looking at the JPY and the JPY basket, the JPY basket has not broken up yet, which means that this still could end up being a pullback within an uptrend. So if it does end up respecting the 61%, then it needs to break structure to the upside on shorter time frames, which it has not done so yet. So going down to the 1 hour time frame. So I think that this is the structure that it needs to break. If it breaks and holds this structure with momentum, then from that point forward, I would become very bullish and I would look for logs on every pullback I see from that point forward, taking it back up to the highs on the daily time frame. But like I said, it doesn't have to do that. This could be some sort of a top on the daily. It could end up not breaking structure, making another lower high and just keep on pushing down, making new lower lows. So I think obviously since we had that big push down on Thursday, we've had a little bit of a battle between the Bulls and the Bears. We had to see who wins. If the Bulls win, then it will go and they'll break structure and start a brand new uptrend. If the Bears win, then it will make a lower high, possibly go down and make a new lower low and continue some sort of a downtrend on the daily time frame. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.